Alright guys, you get a car that comes in, check engine lights flashing. First thing you do, boom, check the codes, right? So we got a B0303, cylinder 3 misfire. Alright, boom, this is a quick little scan tool I use to get fast codes, right? Generic codes. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go under the hood, and we're going to go to cylinder 3. It's going to be pretty easy to find because this is a 4-cylinder, okay? Alright, we're here under the hood. As you can see, the car has a noticeable misfire. And this is a 4-cylinder, right? 1-cylinder, 2-cylinder, 3-cylinder, 4-cylinder. Alright? One first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to... Alright, now that I have that unclipped, I'm just going to check the connector really fast. Because Toyota is known for having plastics in here that deteriorate over time. You never know. One of these wires might potentially cut it. So the connector looks good. Alright, so the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the coil out of this cylinder and I'm going to move it to another cylinder, probably cylinder 1, and I'm going to see if the misfire travels. Right, so if it moves from 3 to 1, then I know I have a problem with this coil. Alright, if it doesn't move with the coil, I'm going to swap the plug. I'm going to take the plug from here and put it to 1 and see if the misfire follows the plug. If it doesn't follow the plug, then we know we're dealing with something a little deeper. Injector, compression, stuff like that. Alright. Okay, as you can see, I marked the coil from cylinder 3, alright, the one that I suspect. I'm going to put that in cylinder 1. Boom. Alright, and we're going to take the one that was in 1, and we're going to put that in cylinder 3. Because as far as we know, this one is good, right? There was no misfire on 1. We're going to connect everything back up. We're going to run the car for a couple seconds and see if that misfire followed that coil. The car's computer system was taking too long to pick up if that misfire followed the coil or not, so I got a little impatient. I'm on flat rate here. I got to get this thing diagnosed quick. So a lot of times when I replace coils in a car and the customer wants to do all of them because the car has high mileage, I'll save some of the coils that I think are good. And that's what I did in this case. So you see, this is the one that I suspected was bad. That was in 3. I went and I looked in my stash and I had an old one that was still good, and I put it in there, and as you can see, the misfire is gone. So quickly diagnosed, it's a bad ignition coil. I'll give the customer the option if they want to replace all of them, if they want to replace all the plugs, or if they just want to do the one coil. The car does have 100,000 miles, so I would advise to at least do the one coil and 4 plugs.